Hello dual credit students and teachers. This is a quick 2-minute tutorial on how to pay your Oregon Tech tuition. From the Oregon Tech homepage, go into the search this site box and enter in ACP Alpha Charlie Papa. Please click the Advanced Credit Program link. Click the photo that says Students and Families. On the right hand side under Resources, click Application, Registration, and Payment Instructions. Click Payment Portal. This will open up the CashNet portal system. This is where you can pay your tuition. Under registration type, click the drop-down menu and select how many Oregon Tech courses you are taking at your high school. Scroll down, enter in every field that has a red asterisk with your first name, last name, Oregon Tech ID number beginning with 918, your date of birth in month, day, year format, your complete high school name. Please enter in the name spelled out instead of just the initials, your teacher's name, whoever's paying the bill's email address, and whoever's paying the bill's phone number. Once these fields are completed, click Pay. This will bring you to the checkout screen. Verify that your name is correct and how many courses you're paying for. Click Checkout. At this point, you can enter in your credit card or electronic checking information. If you're using an electronic check, you do need to have your routing number and bank account number. Click Continue Checkout. Enter in your credit card information. This is a secure site. All of your information will be saved only for as long as it takes to process your payment, and then we will not save it any further from there. Once these fields are completed, click Continue Checkout, Submit Payment, and then you are all done. If you have any questions with this online payment portal, please don't hesitate to give us a call, 541-885-1844. Thanks and have a great day.